If you look at where the concentration of vacant lots are, it's primarily concentrated on the south and west sides of Chicago. There's a lot of stereotypes about Woodlawn. I mean, I think that, first of all, when you say the south side of Chicago, that brings about one meaning of itself. Those are the same communities where it's the highest rates of poverty, lower education, food insecurity, all of the ills of society.
Vacant lots create a sense of no one's paying attention. It creates opportunity for crime. Because there's no eyes on the street, there's no sense of community.
Lots of compassion sparks the imagination of what's possible. In Philadelphia, a study was done where they took vacant lots and improved them, and the results that they got were incredible. A 68% decrease in depression, a 45% reduction in hopelessness, 58% reduction of people feeling unsafe, and a 13% reduction in crime. These kinds of results can have significant positive impact on a community.
Anything you do to that lot to improve it has a salutary effect on the neighbors, on how they feel about each other, how they feel about themselves, how they feel about their neighborhood.
But to have people walk down the street and say, "What are you doing here?" And to be able to say, "We're planting a garden, come and help us." And together we've built this beautiful landscape lot.
We have been looking at this lot for a long time and wondering what would become of it, and so it's been a great opportunity to be part of it turning into a place of beauty.
The design of the graphic itself is it's a gradient that goes from one end of the garden to the next, and it stands or exists to reflect the compassion flower.
To have the kids come out and plant flowers, and then to see them come back out and say, "This is the flower that I planted. I remember putting this seed in the ground," right? We have no way of calculating the impact that that one seed will have on that child's life.
We kind of started to feel a little hopeless and discouraged, and this is a bright spot now.
How would I describe Woodlawn at its best? I would describe the people. This will change Woodlawn for the better. For me, when I think about lots of compassion and what this means, I think it gives our community the ability to dream about what's possible, just from a simple act of planting a flower.